Good morning. 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 Anxiety. I'm in here today. Oh, hey. I'm walking here today, and whenever I come here to this place, it's a little tiny forest. I think about things, and whatever's in my heart, it comes out. And I call this forest Mom, because it feels like such a mother, like a mother that I always wanted to have, you know? It just makes me feel good about my existence. And I have a lot of thoughts, and whenever I take a walk in here, no matter what kind of thoughts I'm having, like positive or negative, I cry. Like something makes me cry, and when I'm done with the walk, I feel so much lighter. So it's like therapy for me. I found a therapist in this forest. And the thoughts that I have are not the ones that happen at the moment of me walking. The thoughts that I have are the thoughts that I accumulate over a period of time, right? And then I just come here and talk it all out super loud. And today my question for Ma was, what's the perfect life? What does a perfect life look like? What is the perfect life like? And I have derealization, and it's a really bad thing. I mean, I know there are other people that have it worse. It's just it's been happening for such a long time now, and I'm really tired of it. I want to feel alive, but I don't feel alive, you know? So I asked Ma, what does a perfect life look like? And she didn't respond. She didn't really respond today. She usually responds. Oh, I just collected some trash. Anyway, I asked Ma, what does a perfect life look like? She didn't respond, so I guess I'm just gonna keep being tired. I'm not saying that I'm not working on this, that I'm not trying to figure it out, and that I'm not trying to live in the moment. I am trying to live in the moment. It's just that I'm derealized. And I don't know how to solve it. And if I say I tried everything, I wouldn't be lying. I really did. It's just that I probably didn't try hard enough. Right, Ma? This is gonna be such a raw vlog for you guys. It's gonna be such a raw vlog. You know when I start feeling good? When I come to myself. When I actually wake up inside the body that I got in order to walk around the planet. That is when I feel fine. Damn, I just farted real bad. It smells bad. Anyway, Mom's gonna take care of it. LOL. And Ma's really pretty. Look. She's like the prettiest. Yep. She's winking at me, I guess. That's a squirrel. That's a squirrel. Do you see it? Hi. Hi, Mrs. Squirrel. I would love to approach you though. Can I? No? I don't really have food here with me. Oh. Don't attack me. It's fine. What are you telling me to go away? Because I feel like that's your attitude right now. Hello? Hi. Okay. Okay, I'll leave you alone. I'm sorry. I just wanted to make friends though. Nobody wants to be friends with me. And there's this dude on YouTube. Why do I feel crying when what? There's this dude on YouTube. His name is Elliot Choi, and like Elliot makes things feel way easier than they actually are. You know? Like, he makes me feel that life and happiness in life doesn't really take much. It's like you wake up in the morning, there's one thing you like doing, do that one thing. After you're done doing that one thing, go rest. And you're done. So like, while you're doing that thing, by the way, you just live in the moment. And while you're doing that thing, no, you don't really live in the moment. You just like enjoy the thing so much that you're focusing on nothing else but the thing, and at the same time it feels so real and so fine and so lifelike. I think I'm carrying a lot of opinions. No, feelings of other people. I think I'm carrying a lot of feelings of other people with me, and I feel in debt to the whole humanity, not only to those that were with me and around me when I needed them the most. So like, I feel like I'm constantly observed by people, and I'm constantly being awaited. You know, Ma? So I don't really live for myself. I live for the people that need me. Therefore, I don't feel my moments, and I don't feel present in the moment because I constantly keep thinking about what I need to do. What I need to do. And whenever I realize I'm in the body and that I'm here just to be here, I get activated and my derealization is gone for a few seconds, for a few mere seconds. And it feels so good. Birds. The problem with this is I don't get to frequently feel myself. I don't get to frequently be present and realize I'm a separate entity inside of this body. It just happens whenever it wants to happen. I'm complaining more than I should be doing. I'm complaining more than I should be doing. I should be meditating for 2 hours every single day. And when was the last time I meditated for 2 hours a day? Never. I never did it. I never even did it. The longest meditation that I had was 60 seconds. I'm such a fucking prick. I complain so much. And I do so little. Lazy ass. Why do I feel like not doing? I don't know. Why do I feel like not doing? I don't know. I just don't feel like doing. I just don't feel like doing anything. Like, whenever I think of, oh, you gotta be working hard for 10 years to achieve something. I'm like, 10 years? Bitch, I'd rather die right now. I'm actually such a lazy human. And whatever I achieved it through feeling lazy and complaining about it, Such a fucking bad human. I'm a bad human. I'll just go back. What kind of flowers are those? What is this? They're so cute. They're so cute. They look like a bunch of stars in the night sky. Oh my god, they're the cutest. They're the cutest. Okay. One thing I have realized is law of attraction works. I could definitely attract the honestly, sincerely, hardworking me. I could be hardworking. I'm like that. But you know what else works better? Asking. The Creator wants you to ask rather than only attract. Attracting is the second part of asking. First you ask, and then you believe. You have zero doubts about it. Make me hardworking because I thought it was a wolf. Please make me hardworking because I enjoy it, not because I need to do it. Please make me hardworking spiritually because I enjoy it, not because I need to do it. This was so emotionless. I was doing it for the video. Let's do it for me now. Hello? Hello? Dad? Father? He's not listening. I feel like he's not listening. I feel like he's just I know when he's there. I'm gonna have to do it by myself. Give me a second. You guys wait here. I'm done. I did it. I asked for it. I asked for some responsibility towards my spiritual healing and my spiritual growth. I asked for it, not because I need to do it, but because I enjoy it. So I guess this is the end of this video. Now let me show you my favorite part of my moth forest. She's not the same in the video, and in reality she's just not the same. We are currently not seeing the same thing. Oh, farted again. Sorry. We are currently not seeing. We're not seeing the same thing. By the way, shout out to this girl right here. She literally Shit literally inspired me to do this today. Just grab my phone. Don't really plan on what kind of video you're gonna do today. Don't plan it. Just make it raw. Here it is. It's raw. Here's my misery. So thank you. Thank you. I love our videos. They're so pure. You know what I'm really happy about today? Baby trees. And how planet Earth simply regenerates itself. This is pure happiness. This is pure happiness. Regeneration. Smart. Intelligent life. Cool. Okay.